Paniyaram is a typical South Indian snack and we usually make it as a savory and enjoy it with some chutney sambar. But today I'm going to show you a sweet Paniyaram, that is Rava Paniyaram. Let's get started and check out the recipe. I've taken 1 cup of rava or Sooji. To this add 1 cup of water. Mix well and let this sit for about 30 minutes. In a pan, pour a little ghee, add a few cashews, toast them till they are nice golden brown color. Next, add a few raisins, toast them. To this add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Roast everything for about a minute or 2. Remove it and keep it aside. After 30 minutes, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the rava mixture, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now add the coconut mixture. Mix everything together nicely. You have a nice thick batter. To dilute this batter, I'm going to pour a little water. Now the batter is a nice pouring consistency. Heat a Panniyaram skillet. Pour a little ghee onto the skillet. Take a little batter and pour it into the Panniyaram mold. Keep the flame on medium. Once it's cooked on one side, turn to the other side and cook the Paniyarams till they are nice golden brown in color. Serve the Paniyarams hot. So we've made Rava Paniyaram. Now this is a very nice sweet Paniyaram and I'm sure everybody will definitely love it at home. So you can store it in a nice airtight container and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.